7-Eleven Thailand is incredibly popular, with around 16% of the Thai population visiting a store daily. Let's discover one of their larger locations outside of Bangkok, in the Royal Beach Retreat of Hua Hin.
สวัสดีครับ
To 7-Eleven Thailand Store in Hua Hin. Please subscribe to our channel. This remarkable Thai 7-Eleven version clearly redefines the convenience store experience. Just take a look at the impressive range of health and beauty products available. You will find in it a lot of different face care options as well as stunning packs with a cap, perfect to store safely in a bag or a purse. There are also some makeup essentials available here. As well as a huge selection of deodorant and talc powder. It can get pretty hot in Thailand and they will be life-saving. Have you ever seen such a large selection at 7-Eleven stores in other countries? There is a quite nice choice of phone accessories available, mainly headphones. As we explore this store, keep in mind their goal of being a true one-stop shop. This end cap is a perfect example. You'll find an interesting mix of items here, from glue and air fresheners to toys. Speaking of toys, they have quite a nice selection of them, and of course, some sea ocean related too. Nice, here comes the pet food. Do you see the pack with the yellow background? That's Mio, a popular Thai cat food brand, that's well loved here. A range of key dishwashing products is available, while the selection for laundry care is even more impressive, with a huge assortment of softeners and an extensive variety of washing products. Here's the massive selection of juices, gels, and both dairy and non-dairy products, undoubtedly one of the largest assortments you'll find anywhere in the world. The coffee machine. Here it is all about instant coffee, as some cold drinks with famous Thai iced tea. The last one is a ice cube dispenser. Alcohol and beers are not available at this time, just between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. midnight. Here are some more refrigerated beverages. The price of Coca-Cola at 7-Eleven matches that of supermarkets, a rare sight in most other countries. This clearly shows that 7-Eleven in Thailand has evolved from a typical convenience store into more of a neighborhood grocery store. These are some of the most popular Thai snacks, definitely must-tries. Not only is the taste incredibly good, and perhaps surprising, the packs are also absolutely super cool. Don't miss out on these seeds and nuts, they're definitely worth a taste too. Sawadee Krupp, Mr. Grab Delivery Man. This aisle is busy, let's check the non-food one. It is starting with a good choice of woman personal hygiene items, followed up by diapers, followed by tissues and toilet paper. Main brand here is Scott. Some essentials households products. Across from them, you'll find the confectionery section, starting with breath freshening products. Next up is an impressive selection of candies, offering a perfect mix of local and international brands. Wow, the space is given to boxed dairy or non-dairy beverages is huge. Big fruit boxes are here under. Sorry. The Lay's chips packs are so cool with the smile. It is a very cool initiative that we have only seen in Thailand. Please share if you have seen it in other countries. The rest of the chips shelf is quite interesting as it is mainly local products, in once more super cool packs. This is quite fun. They are translating international brands, like Doritos, On the other side of the alley, you'll discover a delightful selection of cookies and wafers waiting for you. As well as a huge selection of coated biscuit sticks and filled-in sticks, so many amazing flavors. This end cap is fantastic. It's a back-to-school display with the slogan, "Kids love it, moms approve." Most of the items are packaged in vibrant green, creating a fun and cohesive theme. This end cap is dedicated for the breakfast items and cereals. On a side note, isn't it remarkable how advanced this store is compared to what we might typically expect? The attention to detail and the way they curate products is impressive, blending global trends with a distinctly local touch. Speaking of global brands, this display is a fantastic example of the variety you can find in a Thai 7-Eleven. They are also importing products. We let you check them out. Before we move on to the next section of this fantastic store, let's take a moment to appreciate just how well organized, clean, and impressive these aisles are. Next up is the personal care section. Each category is clearly marked with distinct shelf headers in various colors, making it easy to navigate and find exactly what you need. The product selection is impressively extensive, far beyond what you'd typically find in convenience stores worldwide, where the focus is usually just on the essentials in this category. They're even offering various pack sizes, not just the minis. You can also pick up regular, everyday sizes, making it even more convenient for shoppers. We hope this gives you a better understanding of why 16% of the Thai population visits 7-Eleven every day. Here's another great example, the food supplements. Just look at the extensive selection. Why go anywhere else when you can most likely find exactly what you need right here? Same situation with the beauty accessories. There's a clear emphasis on traditional convenience store staples like snacks and beverages. On top, the health and beauty products range is very big, while the grocery selection is a bit more limited. Let's dive into this aisle. It starts with an impressive tea selection, featuring the famous Thai tea alongside a variety of ginger teas. Then a lot of dried fruits. Finally, for this side, the bakery section, with the breads, as well as other products that are, as they wrote on the shelf, satisfying and affordable. They even sell souvenir magnets and postcards, with the famous elephant one. There is a good assortment of canned food, Kewpie mayo and dressing, huge selection of local pastes and spices. The coconut milk selection is quite impressive, completed by a good assortment of cooking essentials. This one took us a bit by surprise, a nice variety of pasta options, especially considering we're in Thailand. This might be due to the store's location in an international beach resort area, catering to diverse tastes. On the other hand, the extensive rice selection is no surprise, with even large bags available, perfectly in line with what you'd expect from a store in Thailand. How cool are those beach clothes? And comes another huge fridge, filled with many different dairy products, as well as some packed produce. This is something very popular with Thai, the ready-to-eat toasties and burgers. Sausages are quite too. Let's not forget, we're in an Asian store, so one product you're guaranteed to find is instant noodles. There's a strong presence of the popular Korean buldak noodles, and of course, the iconic cup noodles. Alongside some local options, You'll also find Knorr, a brand that's quite popular throughout the region. Finally, there are 2 shelves dedicated to coffee options, mostly instant varieties. Coffee capsules haven't made a strong presence in Asia just yet. That wraps up our tour for today. We hope you enjoyed it and gained some insight into why 7-Eleven is so popular in Thailand. With 16% of the local population visiting daily, it might just be setting a worldwide record. This part is a huge contributor to it, the hot food and drinks made on demand. Next time, you've got to try the Thai tea. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you very much for watching till the end. We hope you liked it. Please watch more. Have a wonderful day.